In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal access token on GitHub, a vital skill for developers and technophiles alike, enabling secure and efficient management of your repositories and integrations. Let's dive into the details so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding and a brand new token ready to use. To kick things off, navigate to the GitHub website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen where your profile picture is featured. Click on that profile icon. This is a central hub that leads you to various user settings. Upon clicking, you'll land on a drop-down menu, and from here you should select Settings. This area contains all the personal configurations you can modify, but today, our focus is on crafting that personal access token. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll leisurely down the left sidebar until you spot Developer Settings. Click on this section, which directs you to a more technical side of your account, where configurations for app integrations and tokens reside. Now that you're in the developer settings, there's a specific subsection called Personal Access Tokens. Here on the submenu, choose Fine-Grained Tokens. This choice allows for more precision in permissions and security compared to general tokens. It's where you'll create tokens with specified access, protecting your resources more diligently. With layout and permissions in mind, the next step is to generate your token. Look for and click the Generate New Token button. This action will guide you to a new page where you'll configure the specifics of your token. Begin by thinking of a suitable name for your token and inputting it in the designated field. The name is key since it reminds you of the token's purpose, aiding in future reference and management. Following the naming of your token, move on to setting an expiration date. Assigning an expiration ensures that your token doesn't remain active indefinitely, which mitigates security threats over time. It's a practical measure for long-term safety. Next, specify the resource owner. Here, you choose whether the token will be tied to your personal account or a specific organization you manage or contribute to. This decision directly impacts how and where the token will function, so choose according to your workflow needs. Under the Repository Access section, decide whether this token will grant access to all repositories or only selected ones. The selective option can offer enhanced security by limiting potential access to more sensitive data or projects. Further down, you'll find permission settings that allow you to finely tailor what this token can do. Specify permissions for each desired area, such as read and write permissions. Being precise here ensures your token functions exactly as needed, minimizing potential breach points. Finally, conclude this setup by clicking Generate Token. This is a crucial step where your unique token is created. Make sure to copy the token immediately after it appears. It's vital to remember that this will be the only time you can view it in its entirety, so store it securely in a password manager or safe document for future use. That wraps up our session on creating a personal access token on GitHub. With these steps, you've enhanced your security and operational efficiency within your development environment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.